Hello, my name is Edgar Millan, and I'll be working on workshop 1, which is piston head analysis. For this step, we'll click on File, New, enter piston for file name, click OK, and then click OK again. Next, we will click on File, Import, and select piston from our Vacations folder. Click on Apply, and click OK when Import Summary from appears. Now we will enter the material. We will click on Properties, then on Isotropic and the manual input. We would enter steel for the material name, and we will click on Input Properties. We will put 30 times 10 to the 6 and 0.3 for the elastic modulus and the Poisson ratio respectively. We'll click on OK and then Apply. On this part, we will create the element properties. We will click on the solid icon in the top right, and then we will enter piston for property set name, and then we will click on input properties. We will click on the map prop name icon, choose steel from the select materials, click on OK, then click on select members and select solid 1. We'll click add. OK and apply. Now we will change the view of the piston to smooth shaded so we can have a better understanding of the dimensions of the part. We would go to the loads and boundary conditions, create displacement and nodal, enter the fixed for the new set name, and then we will input data. We would enter 0 for X, 0 for Y, and 0 for Z under translations only. Then we'll click OK. We will set the geometry to filter to geometry. We would click under the select geometry entities, then on the surface or face icon, and select both pinhole faces, and we will click add. Then we click OK and apply. We would click on the pressure icon on the top of the screen. Then we would enter piston pressure for the new set name. We'll click on input data and enter 1200 for the pressure and click OK. Now we would click on select application region and click on the top face of the piston and click add. OK and apply. Now we will change it to create, mesh, and solid. We will set the element shape, measure, and topology to TET, TET mesh, and TET 4 respectively. We'll select solid 1 under input list, uncheck automatic calculation, and enter 0.5 for the global edge length, and then click apply. Now we would run the analysis, set the action to analyze, the object to entire model and the method to analysis deck. We will click on translation parameters, change card forms to small, and then click OK. Then we will click on the sub cases, click on output request, and then we would click OK and apply. Now that the analysis has been run, we would proceed and read the results. We would click on the select results file, select the Piston XDB files, and then click OK, and then apply. Now on the results part, we can check the stress tensor and the displacements translational. Then we would click apply. And our image will be shown with all the stress and the displacements ranged. And that would be all for my part. Thank you very much.